guys, me again. So today I have a big yarn haul. Jan came to visit me and brought me all this. So she said to me, pick something out of my stash and I'll bring it round with me. So I said, okay, get me one of your green 400 gram balls and get me one of your purple ones. Now I'd have that please. So then she came round and ended up getting that out of the taxi. I was like, what? So yeah, she's been very, very kind. And then, as I was reading through it, I found this. So we're not going to go shorty miles, we've got an extra roll. Thanks, Jan. Since everyone's being crazy and buying up all the toilet roll, and I have an extra roll. So, it made me laugh when I saw that. Like, sense of humour is funny. So anyway, here is what we have. So we have this dusky pink Aran yarn 400 gram ball from Sew Crafter. This is the Aldi yarn. And then we have two of these 400 gram ones from Woolcraft in that purple. Then we have this Peyton's Vintage. So these are 50 gram balls, 70% acrylic, 30% cotton. Sorry, what's this? Right, so this one's 75 acrylic, 25 wool. And this one is 80% acrylic, 20 wool. Right, so this one, 70% acrylic, 30% cotton. Beautiful colour. I love this so much. This one's my favourite one, I think. Then we have this Ice Yarns Summer Rose, and it's have to get one out. 100% acrylic. So it's number 2 weight, so it's your sport weight. So I have 300 grams of that. Should have shown it you while I was out. And then I have a cake of this Jersey Cartoku. It's a 200 gram cake. It's 80% acrylic, 20% wool in those purple colours. And Jan made a shrug out of this, so those two balls are what's left out of the shrug. And then there's two Karen cakes in purples. So they're 200 grams as well, 80% acrylic, 20% wool. And there's two of these 400 gram balls in purple. So these are Hayfield Bonus Aran, 80% acrylic, 20% wool again. And Vogue with Love, 100 grams, so it's 90% acrylic, 10% wool. And we have, this is the green that I asked her for. I did only ask her for one ball though. So this is Wendy Aran, 75% acrylic, 20% wool. And they're 400 gram balls. Oh, the thing has come off of this. So there's two of these, one's rolled up. So it's Lion Brand Yarns Ice Cream in the mint colourway. It's 100% acrylic. So there's two, that one's just been rolled up. Then we have Doru Export. That doesn't give any information on it. That's those really nice flecks. That'll make a really nice hat. Then we have another one of these Aldi pinks. And we have Stylecraft Special Aran with wool. 80% acrylic, 20% wool. So 2 in that kind of biscuit colourway. They're the 400 gram balls as well. And then this is the same as the pink eye yarn. So it's 100% wool in sport weight as well. So there's 2 full ones and there's 2 little balls. And last but not least, we have this eye yarn. And this is Viscose Premium, 50% viscose, 50% acrylic, and it's DK weight, so there's 400 grams there. So yeah, that is all the yarn. She did give me a magazine, so I'm going to do, that's not going to fall over, I'm going to do a separate video and I'm going to show you through the magazine. And also, I didn't bring my cup, let me bring you the cup that she got me. So this was my Christmas present that I ended up leaving at a house by accident. So now I've got it. So this Crochet Queen cup. Can you even see it, or is the window blowing it out? So yeah, finally I've managed to have a brew in that. So yeah, I'm very, very pleased. I'm very, very surprised. I didn't expect that at all. I thought, okay, she'll bring one of the creams or the beige, and then one of the greens, and then that's it. And then she turned up with all of that as well. I also have this light thing, so when I'm doing my tutorials, because this hangs overhead and then shines down, so I can use that for my tutorials. So yeah, thank you very much, Jan. I'm going to make so much stuff with that. And yes, if you see me make things with it for the shop, then don't think I'm being rude or anything. Me and Jan know that whenever we get each other things like this, we can use it for anything. And the shop is both of us, so if I make something with it and it brings someone to the shop, then that's a benefit for both of us. So yeah, I'm not being rude with anything like that. We've both decided, we've had a discussion and we've decided that yeah, any yarn that either of us gets each other, we can use it to make things for the shop, that's fine. Because for me as well, the whole joy out of having yarn isn't always the finished product. Because then you can't keep everything, can you? It's the joy of making something. Like, that's where the gift is. I'm able to make things with this. It's not always the actual finished product, it's the process of making it. So yeah, that is that. I've already explained myself, so if anyone comes up in the future and says, oh, but you can't use that for the shop because that was a gift. Well, yes I can, and I'll refer you back to this video. Because yeah, it is what it is. Like, we've decided that that's fine. So yeah, none of us can feel bad about that. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to go, and then I'm thinking maybe Wednesday I will make a video with the magazine. I was going to do it today, but then I've got to go pick the kids up in a minute. I ended up chatting to my mum for so long on the phone. She just doesn't stop talking, this woman, honestly. She just, you're about to go and she's like Columbo, one more thing, just one more thing. No, I'm just as bad as she is. But yeah, we do talk quite a bit sometimes. So yeah, I'm going to get the kids soon. I've missed the kids a lot today. Next door has kept her kids off from school, so I've heard them playing football in the garden and things, and it's made me really want my boys home. So I think a lot of people, there's a movement going around called hashtag coronavirus walkout or something. So people are just not going to work, they're staying in the house and they're refusing to take the kids to school. They're just their world has come crashing down around them, I think. and they're just staying in the house, which fair enough. I do hope the school's closed because I do want the boys home. I don't want to see them sick. And I don't want to be sick myself. I'd rather just stay at home as much as possible. But I'm still going to follow legislation. If the government doesn't shut the schools, then unless it gets really bad and I feel like they're just being complete dimwits, then the boys are still going to go to school. They're still going to play with their friends. They're still going to do what they're doing. But yeah, hearing them play out before, I was like, I want my boys home. I just want to give them good. I want to hear them playing. I don't know. It makes me miss them. Yeah, maybe that's just me being a bit sad. So, yeah, I'm not going to show you. I've got an almost finished project and I'm not going to show it on this video because I think my mum will want to see all the yarn I've got, so she'll probably watch this. And this thing that I'm making, it's her Mother's Day present, so I'm not going to show it. So I'll let her like see the yarn I've got, and then the next video I'll say, okay, don't watch that. And then, you know, she won't watch it. She's very good like that. If I tell her your present's on there, don't watch it, she loves a surprise like that, so she won't watch it. She's a very good girl. Very, very good girl. Yes, Mama, you're very good. Right, and then that is me. I'm going to go. And I need to nip to the shop as well and see if they've got any bread, milk and stuff like that in. Jan said her shop did, so that's good. I'm hoping for mine. If not, the guy at the corner shop, I can ask him when he's going to the warehouse next and get him to save me some. He did it with the toilet roll, he was very good. So yeah, that was funny though. I went in the shop and he had no toilet roll or anything in, so like all the hand wash and everything is gone. So I said to him, are you getting more toilet roll in like when you go into the warehouse? So he goes, later on. Why? I said, I need some toilet roll, will you keep some at the side for me? He's like, oh my gosh, how many? So I was like, a pack of 4, that's it. How many bums do you think I've got to wipe at home? He's laughing, he's like, of course I'll save you. So you must have just had people coming in buying loads, and I'm just like, wow, the world has gone batty. Crazy. But yeah, so I know that like whatever I need he'll save for me. That's fine. I've already asked him to save me some Nurofen when it comes in, because I get my migraines in, because lots of places are out of paracetamol and everything now. That's one thing that I am bothered about. So he said that he'll try to do that for me. So yeah, that is everything. I'm really going to go because I really need to go to the school. Enjoy your day, enjoy your evening, morning, whatever, whenever you're watching this, and happy crafting. And I hope you all stay lovely and healthy and safe.